Hello everyone, thanks for tuning into my video. I just want to tell you how I'm going to save about $350 this year on my own mosquito spraying. And this, of course, this unit, which I'll describe in a second, is going to last me, I'm believing, multiple years. I have quite a bit of land. This is just the backyard in one area. Then I have a hole big in the front and then on the side, on the other side of the house. And it was going to cost me over $500 for the season to have the mosquito guys come in. And anyway, so I thought I'm just going to see if I can do it myself. I bought chemicals online for about $135, which should be enough to last me the whole season, I hope. But what it is we have a Chapin 61500 model backpack Euro sprayer with a side pump. That side pump, of course, you need to maintain pressure to be able to go ahead and blow, otherwise it won't work. What I come over here and did was I put a valve. It cost me about $8. It's just one of the hose nipples. I just cut the tube and slid it in, and that right there is so that when I put this all the way on and the water and the chemicals are flowing, I can monitor how much so I don't put too much, and I can shut off quickly that way as well. Basically, this was just clamped on along the side, and I had to make it fit, so I bought like a little nipple clamp screwed onto the end of the sprayer tip and some clamps. But this is the gizmo right here. This cost me about $32. You can get them as much as $39. This is an actual blower sprayer made by Echo Parts. It does not fit my sprayer. It's only designed for one. But the good news is that it butted right up against mine flush. So I just put some duct tape and a clamp, and it is very solid. So I wouldn't worry about that coming off or having any problem unless I really drop the mechanism, and then I'll just refix it if that happened. But that's an actual professional sprayer tip for one of their $400 sprayers. So that's what I did, and I went out and tested it with some water and a little bit ago with some yellow dye, and I look like one of the mosquito guys out spraying my yard. I may add that video to this, but until then, I just want to let you know it worked. It worked beautifully, and I hope it works for you. Enjoy.